Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to see you tomorrow. I'm back tomorrow. Yes, some good times. You got this super fun assignment today. That's right. Looks like a lot of puzzles up here. Part of puzzles related to marbles. There's a marble right there, and then stars, and then these are your slides right here. But anyways, the goal of this one: get all the stars. Get to know lines. That's right. Get to know lines in the form y equals mx plus b, otherwise known as the slope-intercept form. So in chapter 4, we're going to go back to graphing lines and comparing. We have multiple lines, things that kind of happen. Chapter 4 is called systems of linear equations. Okay, and of course, linear equation, most commonly what you see in sort of ninth grade, is linear equations written in form y equals mx plus b. Okay, what is m again? What is b? Well, I hope you know those. If not, you get some practice with it today. All right, anyways, click launch to see what you mean here. You're watching this video because maybe, hey, you tried it out. You're like, what do I do? What is this here? That's it. You're just trying to get success. You're just trying to get there. Trying to get all the stars, and here are your slides already set up. So your goal is to set up some slides to get you all the stars, and then your marbles go down and get them here. Okay, so anyways, let's just do a few together so you actually see some examples here. Change one number in the row below to fix the marble slide. Well, I'm looking at this one here. Looks like my marbles are going to go, always just hit launch if you want. You want to see kind of what happens. It goes down. All right, do we get the stars? No. Well, what's the problem here? Okay, well, let's think about this. Is the slope okay right now? Slope, right? Slope's how steep it is. Right? Remember, slope is steepness. Slope is rate of change, right? Change in y or change in x. Slope looks good to me. It looks like this is just too high, right? Too high. So it looks like my y-intercept's a little bit too high. So remember, y equals m. M is the slope. And plus b, right? B is your y-intercept, okay? You got to know those, right? Y equals mx plus b. X and y are independent, dependent variables. M and b are your parameters, right? Your special sauce, your slope, your y-intercept, okay? So you got to change your y-intercept here. I don't know, -1. Is that going to get it done? No, I got to go lower than that, -2. Okay, so if I go through -2, it looks like, yeah. Yes, let's see it. Yes! We got all the stars. Fantastic. Success. Okay, very good. Important things to know is that there's this reset button here. Check it out. Let's see if I change it. It's going to reset. I guess if I go back, let's see. Go back. All right, it's here. There's always a reset button that you have here on the left side. Oops. You go to the settings. I think you get a settings here. This is how you reset. Go to settings and you reset. I don't know why is my computer being slow? It's just being slow. Hopefully this video actually comes through. There it is. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's under the plus button. Oh, actually, yeah, settings button. I was worried about that. You hit that, you hit reset. Okay, just in case your slides are in a weird locations. Okay, weird locations. You're not liking the place that your slide is here. Okay, so my slide is here. Let's say if I tried to move it to some place weird like +50, and I'm like, oh, where did it go? I can click this button. Okay, the little gears button, and then I click reset. And then that's going to reset my screen for me. Okay, so that's just something to know here in case you have too much fun and you want to get your slide back. Or like, where did it go? Okay, check it out here. Some good times. Change one number in the row below to fix the marble slide. Let's see if we can fix it. Looks like my slope's off. Okay, So is my y-intercept okay? Yeah, probably. I probably just need to change my slope. Okay, so what am I changing? Am I changing M or am I changing B? I'm changing M if my slope's off. Okay, so I just need to make it less steep. Okay, if it's 4, maybe I'll try maybe 1. Nope, now I need to make it less steep than that. So I got to go less than 1. I got to go more like a fraction. 1/2. Here we go. Yes, this is good times. Let's see it. Come on, launch. I got 5 minutes % of battery life left. I'm living on the edge. That's what Mr. Forden does. Lives on the edge here. Okay, go. My computer's super slow right now too. Battery life 4%. Okay, I want to get to a domain and range one first though, so you see it. Go, get it. Success. Okay, very good. All right, fix it. So this is the first time you see domain and range here. Check it out. They're specifying the domain right here. Okay, so you see here, this slide goes this far. Okay, and if we launch it, what happens? Well, it's a good location, but you know what? The line doesn't continue far enough. Okay, it doesn't continue far enough here. So here, they're specifying this line, this equation right here. There's nothing wrong with the equation right here for this one. The problem is the domain of this line, okay? This line, remember, domains are x values. As you move along the x-axis, where is my graph, okay? And my graph, as I move along my x-axis, looks like we're going from negative infinity. Look, we have this here. It probably keeps going up this way forever. It ends at when x equals 4. Okay, that's not far enough. That's not far enough here. So I'm going to change it to x equals 8, maybe? give it a shot. There we go. I increased my domain. And yeah, I think I'm going to pick up those other stars. Let's see if that actually works. There we go. Star, star, star. Oh, missed it. Okay, maybe it's 7.5. Maybe it's 7. I don't know. I'm running out of battery life. I'm going to skip on to the next one. Okay, so anyways, that's how we do these puzzles. Man, this is a good time. I like this one every year. All right, check it out here. So it looks like I got to change the domain. So type as many equations of lines into the rows below as you need to collect all the stars. Well, first of all, I need to adjust the domain on this one here. This is starting at 0. Look, x is greater than 0, so my domain of this line starts at 0. My domain needs to be starting more at like, I don't know, at 8, right? At 8 or so. So that actually drops down, okay? So there we go. I got this one there. It says type many equations. I can do that in another line. Check it out. I can do this here, okay? My slope looks pretty good here of 1/2. I'm going to stick with that, but I'm going to get a different starting number. Oops, wait, I need to put an x, 1/2 x plus 2 perhaps, plus 3. Yeah, there we go. There it is right here, okay? So you're getting practice. You're writing equations in form y equals mx plus b. You get it good to go. Let's check it out. All right, you get this idea? You get this? I think this is enough of a video to actually show you here in case you're stuck about what to do. Ask your group mates for help, right? Your domain and range, you specify by using these little brackets things here. Brackets and writing an inequality, okay? So I think you'll be able to figure that out when you guys do this today, okay? I missed that one. I missed that 1 star. I'll keep working on it here. All right, what if we change this? Okay, so here, this is the equation, this is the slope, it's the y-intercept. Oop, that's the domain of this thing here. What if we change negative 0.14 to 2 in the equation? What's going to happen? Well, it's going to be an increasing line, and it's going to be a lot more steep. Here. There's kind of the two things going on here. Yeah, have fun with this. I don't know. This was what, like a 10-minute video? I'm already on slide 8. This one isn't too bad. It's good times. All right. Y equals mx plus b. You got to be good at graphing lines in y equals mx plus b form. Just find the y-intercept, rise of a run, get the slope. You're good to go. Message me if you have any questions. This isn't due until Wednesday, too. This one, and you have another Desmos task that I'll also film a video for. Okay, bye, everybody. Bye.